Welcome to Photoshop Art. Microsoft is releasing its first big update to Windows 11 today, and it includes some new additions. A public preview of Android apps on Windows 11 is available today. Let's see how that looks. After opening the store, you have to click here to open Amazon Store. The number of Android apps is very poor. I'm going to try to open one game. I have to restart my PC. After restart, I need to make an Amazon account. After creating account, I get this message. I had to change my region to USA to solve this. I have to say, I'm very disappointed with this whole experience. Write in the comments what do you think. Thanks for watching.